everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on something extremely special. It's a Ferrari 812 Superfast. It already looks incredible, but you wait until what we're now going to do to this Ferrari. Let's get behind the scenes and show you what we've got planned. So guys, we are now in the strip and fit department with Nelly with the Ferrari 812. As you all can agree, this is an incredible, incredible car. Now, what are we going to be doing? It's quite a big job, not for Nelly though, but it's quite labor intensive. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting a Mansory style body kit, carbon fiber body kit onto this 812. We have the new front bumper skirt, we have the new side skirts, we have a new rear diffuser and a rear spoiler. So let's get into the video and show you how we're going to apply this to the car. Let's go. So guys, we're now in the fit up stage of the Ferrari 812. We're starting off with the rear diffuser. Already come to our first little problem. No, it's not a problem. It's never a problem here, because we've got a solution already. If you come in, Jake, let's show you what we've done. So when this rear diffuser sits up against the rear bumper, I guess the main point I need to say first is we have a rear brake light on the back here. The wire comes through the outside of the carbon, which obviously leaves a wire where we need to run in to get obviously onto a power for this brake light to work. When this rear diffuser sits up against the bumper, it's very flush. So the wire, which cannot be hidden anywhere else, because we have a big gap between this new diffuser and the original bumper. So as you can see what we've done here, we've extended the wire, we've put a tiny little notch just inside, show the notch now, little notch just in here, so when that sits up flush, well, it now will sit up flush because we've got the notch in for the wire to sit flatter. Got a little block on here, cable tied that nice and tight so that wire's going to sit nice and neat. So now when this goes back on, it's going to look incredible. So guys, we've now come to the end of the Ferrari 812 Superfast video. I think we can all agree this car is very, very special. It already looked incredible before we even started work on this vehicle, but now we've got the Mansory Bodykit on. It looks insane. So aggressive. Real high quality carbon. Fitment was really good as well. Can't complain with any of the fitment. We do a lot of body kits here at the body centre on all different types of supercars, but this did fit very nice. Super impressed. But like I said, the Ferrari 812 Superfast is already an incredible car. The price tag on it is crazy, but I'm sure it's worth every penny. I think we're around 800 brake horsepower. To the wheels, the car is absolutely leery. Dan, he's a good friend of ours. He's got lots of supercars that we work on for him. So definitely check him out on Instagram. But when Dan left here, he did leave us some little tracks up our forecourt here, and the sound of it is incredible. It definitely doesn't sound as good as his Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. We will put Dan's tag in this, you can see and check out all his other cars, and you have to watch the video of his exhaust that he's had fitted to his SVJ. That is insane. But anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have got a body kit you want fitted to your vehicle, doesn't have to be a supercar. We work on all different types of vehicles here at the Body Centre. Hit us up in the comments or drop us a DM or give us a call. We'd love to help you guys out. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.